Go right ahead.
Angela Harrington, Florida.
I'm sorry?
Angela Harrington, Florida.
From Florida.
We have a check for $9,000 from the
$9,000.
Grand Lodge.
Thank you so much.
Carol Lawrence Murphy, the Grand Lodge of California. We have a check for $8,000.
$8,000, California. Thank you.
The Grand Lodge of the State of Virginia has $5,743.27.
Thank you, Virginia. Ooh, wait, Florida and California, come back to the microphone. We have a gift for you. Oh, you got it.
How much was that last one?
Yes, sir.
$24.27.
Being chairman of the Cooleys Anemia Committee for my local lodge in Watertown, Massachusetts, we do a fundraiser breakfast. And along with other contributions from other lodges, I'd like to present the check for $17,100.
I'm sorry, what was it, 17,900?
$17,001.
17, thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah, don't forget me with that, Gina. I like that stuff. All right.
Francis Abriati, Grand Lodge of Maryland, $5,200
Yeah.
for Cooleys Anemia.
Thank you, Marilyn.
Grand Lodge of Connecticut has 2,000.
2,000, Connecticut. Thank you, Michael.
Tony Bichetti Anderson from the Grand Lodge of the Northwest. We have a check for $2,150.
$21.50. Thank you, Northwest. Terry.
Terry Latown from the Grand Lodge of Ohio. I just like to premise real quickly, we pay yearly, so this is only collections from January to July of this year.
Okay.
And it's an amount of $2,220.
Wow, thank you.
Joe Florio from the Rhode Island Grand Lodge would like to present a check for $11,900.
Rhode Island, thank you.
Marie Marcelli, Grand Lodge of Illinois, Wisconsin. We have a check for $3,000.
3,000, Illinois. Wisconsin, Illinois.
Tony Lanner, Grand Lodge of West Virginia. We're a small state. We have 6 lodges. We got a check for you for $1,150.
Thank you, West Virginia.
Joe Rondinelli, New York State President. At this time, I'd like to ask our immediate past President of New York, Tom Lupo, who has been the President during the administration of these donations. Thank you.
Take the candy.
Can't say go to her. I'd also like our New York State Chairperson for the past 6 years, Joan Rondinelli, my wife, to come up.